How to send money on Cashapp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money using Cashapp. So first of all, just open your Cashapp account, and after that, all you have to do is just enter the amount you want to transfer to someone on your home screen itself. Let's suppose I want to transfer $10 to somebody, so I'm just entering the amount, and after that, just simply click on pay. And here on this screen, all you have to do is enter the name of the person or the cash tag or their phone number or email address to find the person you want to transfer the money to. And you can also write a short note for the person you are transferring the money, and you will also have the another option to find your friends on your Cashapp through your contact access. So if you want to transfer the money from someone from your contact, you can do that as well. And once you enter the name or the detail of the person you want to transfer the money to, all you have to do is just simply click on pay. And as soon as you click on pay, the money will be sent to the person or the another Cashapp account user. And this is how you will be able to successfully transfer the money on Cashapp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.